Welcome to our in-depth exploration of 4 dynamic sectors shaping the global economy of packaging, construction, mining, and gases. The global packaging market is set to hit $1 trillion by 2024 with a growth rate of 4%. Construction, we're looking at a colossal $15 trillion driven by urbanization. Mining is no slouch either, projected to reach $2 trillion with a 6% KGR. And let's not forget the industrial gases market, forecasted to grow to $106 billion with a 6% CAGR. Key drivers, technological advancements, sustainability, booming urban populations, and healthcare needs are shaping these markets. Regionally, North America focuses on tech and sustainability. Europe champions regulatory innovation. Asia-Pacific rides on economic growth. Latin America banks on natural resources, and the Middle East and Africa invests heavily in infrastructure. These industries are set for robust growth, presenting unique opportunities across the globe. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.